Hi there everyone, this is Corinne again. So in this video guys, we're gonna talk about life. We're gonna start our topic with a question. What is life? Alright, just a little disclaimer here. Some of the thoughts that I gonna tell you guys might not appropriate for you, might not correct for you. Well, everything here are all just my experience, all just my belief guys. I just wanted to be a public speaker, and it's just my routine, my way of coping up with um stress. So just bear with me, and just comment down below if you wanted to add some portion or some content about our topic today. So let's back to our topic, life. Let's start our topic with a question. What is life? So these questions, are we really so guilty about it, like searching it in the internet? And I don't know why, guys, but I'm so sure that every one of us already look up the definition of life. All right. So if we're gonna search it in the internet or in the dictionary, it will gonna give us a definition of life as existing, breathing, being the uh having the capacity to live, or having soul. That is life. Now, when we gonna take a look into the other way or the other side of the definition of life, we might focus to the psychological or the emotional. And sometimes people who really interested in searching that definition into these areas are those lonely ones, stressed ones, or people that are super, super dramatic. As what I can say, like not so dramatic and in a very serious way, but they are more focused into psychological or into like other side from reality or from literal meaning of life. So those people might see life as happiness, might see life as a purpose, might see life as the reason for the person to continue, might see life as survival. All right. So we don't have the right to judge anyone else about their definition of life, because it really depends on our experience and our on our status like right now in our lives. Some of us might feel contented, some of us might feel happy, some of us might feel super super sad and lonely, and some of us might feel satisfied with their life. So it really depends on the person. All right. Now, when we go back to our childhood days, we look life as very easy, very playful. We just think about playing. If our mom or our parents let us go outside to play with our childhood friends, going to school, getting snacks, and getting our break times during our elementary class or high school days, right? So that's our approach to life. That's how we believe life. And in that journey, in that time frame of our lives before, we always have this goal, have this dream of becoming somebody or someone in the present or in the future. Like I wanted to be a teacher, I wanted to be an engineer, I wanted to be a nurse, I wanted to be someone da 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 da. So that's how we look life. As or when we go back to our younger days, we are so much more like a dreamer of life. We are so much positive. We are a type of a person that is so much positive towards life, that really expect life to give us the good things that we always wanted um as a kid or as teenagers, or in the time frame of not becoming an adult. Now, when we transitioned to adulthood, like 24 beyond, we started to look life as a very serious, sad, lonely thing that a person has. All right. And I think the reason towards this happening are our situation, our crisis. Now, when we talk about life crisis, there's a lot of types of it. Could be financial crisis, mental crisis, health crisis, any aspect of our lives that has crisis. So we consider it as our life crisis. These life crises shape a person's perspective or belief towards life. That person might be affected on her approach about life. So, for example, if I have financial crisis right now and I don't have anyone who helped me, and over time I eventually survived through it. I mean this that kind of crisis. i've I've learned life, and i have I have lessons that I will gonna learn at the end of that crisis, and that will gonna contributed to my perspective in life. So before I got that crisis, that financial crisis, I look life as as very kind, very easy, and beautiful life. But once I am in that financial crisis, during my experience, I look life as very bad, very hard, and very cruel kind of life. And after I survive, at the end of that crisis, I look life as a very um experience, a very beautiful one. Not so beautiful, not so easy, but I've learned my lesson that kind of era. So what I really wanted to tell you guys is that every situations, every experiences that you're gonna have, that you're gonna encounter, will gonna affect your approach to life. All right, and the connections as well that you're gonna make along your journey in your living. Before, you wanted to have a lot of friends, and you don't mind if those friends are true to you, or are genuine to you, until such time that you experience a very hard situations, and that you have realized that um, among those numbers of friends of yours, only few are offered, only few offered you a helping hand, which gonna make you feel realize that life is not all about having friends. Life is all about getting through friends that will gonna help you when you're in your very hard moments. All right. So I really wanted you to have these realizations that life is not about life is not about um being a very like being famous, having a lot of circle of friends, but it is about being or having or receiving the the genuine connections that we always deserves in our life. All right. So I concluded, guys, that the definition of life to a person really depends on that person's experience, status, belief, or situations on as of the moment, because we might have different kind of belief towards life. And I hope that regardless of the changes that you have right now in your life, like the big transition from this kind of situations to that kind of situations, since might gonna feel you discouraged or might gonna feel you positive. um, please don't uh, please don't forget that life is just a simple thing. Okay, life has only one simple a definition towards us human being, and it's all about survival. It's all about existing. As long as you're being positive right there and living, that's okay. All right. Don't forget to manifest, as what I've been talking about to my previous post, to my previous video. Don't you ever feel hesitate in manifesting good and positive things, because manifestations really work. You just have to put your belief in it, and you just have to put your full trust and belief towards Mama Mary and Papa Jesus. And so much for that, guys. Yeah, I mean, right now we're so adult, right? Like 25 beyond, people nowadays just wanted to be a kid, go back to younger days, just just wanted to have that kind of mindset of playing, worrying if our mom or if our dad will gonna let us go back or go outside to play to our childhood friends. Well, that is a really, really good, positive, and kind of nostalgic approach, and a very good thing to do. But we cannot do that in reality, and the only thing that we can do right now, which is very doable, is to continue living, to continue breathing, to continue surviving, and to continue pursuing the things that we love to do. All right. So, yeah, I mean, life can be complicated, but as long as you're so super positive and you're willing to live that kind of life of yours, regardless of the situations that you have right now, everything is possible. All right. Just put your faith, your belief in the heavens and to yourself as well, because like it really depends on the mindset of other people. So if you do have that so much confidence in your life right now that you can do everything that you can, just to pursue your career, just to pursue your dreams or your goals in life, then you can have it. It is very possible for you to have is um just just have that kind of confidence and belief, because everything here in earth, everything here in life is very, very possible. Just you need to believe. You don't need recommendations from other people. Well, recommendations from or connections are really, really kind of existing right now, but I really do believe that if you really possess that kind of skills or that confidence, that you can do, or you can get a career, or you can do everything you want, you can always do that. All right, there's always opportunity for you to get that specific goals of yours, as long as you are believing that you can get it. All right, so it's 13 minutes, guys. Good luck to my video, and yeah, and I just wanted to remind, like, the purpose of this video is just for me to practice my public speaking, and just for you to be reminded that life is not about um life is not all about literal definitions of it, but it's about surviving, manifesting, and being positive. So let's meet to I mean let's see again till my next uh video. I will gonna look for another topic, guys. I hope that you have something to learn in this video, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.